Hey everyone, Vee Roberts here of Insight2Marketing, and I'm the author of the Majestic Marketing Planner, which, if you didn't know, is the resource you need if you are wanting to improve your branding and marketing in 2019. Now, actually beyond then, because there's also a section in there that deals with 2020 as well. The reason I'm coming live today is because I want to speak to you about the importance of business growth. So many of us are in business and we really want our business to grow. We want to make more money. We want to have more customers. We want to have more people visiting our website, but actually we're not yet there in terms of getting results. And so I want to come on now and share with you some very quick tips around being in it to win it. And those of you that are aware, or maybe not aware, I've been in it for a very long time. By that I mean industry. So for the last 23 years, I've been doing all things branding and marketing. And in fact, 16 years of my career to date have been spent working as an employee. The last 6 years have been spent actually doing, good afternoon, Andrea, actually doing activities that relate specifically to solopreneurs, small businesses, and also individual startups. Okay, so as a NatWest Bank business mentor, as a Virgin Business startup, I'm very passionate about businesses winning. All right, so let me just very quickly check that I sound okay. And whilst you join in live, just let me know what you do as a business, or let others know who might be joining live with you. What do you do as a business? So we can connect with you outside of this particular live. And let's have a conversation. If you are watching live, let me know. Super. So what I want to talk to you about this morning is that, or this afternoon now, is the importance of actually being clear on why you're in business. Most of us are in business to grow. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hi, Michelle. Most of us are in business to grow. And if you've got, you know, any kind of strategy in your business, I'm hoping that part of that is going to be around you growing your business. In other words, doing things, doing activities, you know, engaging in tasks that are going to be helping you to achieve and grow. Now, I started my business on less than £100. On a £90 budget, I was able to build a website through someone that was referred to me, and the rest is history. Most of what I did in my business used strategy and also effective monitoring to ensure that I was making the best use of my money that I did have when it was coming in, and also my time. So I launched events, I did speaking engagements, I launched digital products. I now, as you know, have my physical product, and there are some more things coming out of the Insight2Marketing camp in the next few weeks. But this is my planner. And also I've done other things as well along the way. And in the last 6 years, I've been very passionate and driven about growth in my business. And that has required me to regularly monitor and regularly look at different ways in which I can actually achieve sales targets. So I just want to say to anyone that's watching this now, either live or on the replay, if you don't have a sales target yet, it's not that you're going to have to get that target in. It's not that you're going to have to earn that 16K for the month. But actually, it's advised to give yourself something to focus on. And what I want to share with you today is that I do a lot of work, and I never, ever talk about the clients that I work with unless they want me to. I never, ever ask my clients to, you know, big me up unless they've told me openly, V, you know what, you really impressed me with that, or I really enjoy doing that. Then I'll say, okay, can I get a recommendation? But I don't actively go out and ask people, you know, to big me up. And today I actually want to take some time to talk about some of my clients that are winning, because I'm so encouraged. You know, I sold out of my group coaching program within about 5 weeks of putting out the promotion. And, you know, that is a solid group of women who are phenomenal in what they do. And I have to really show gratitude today that my clients that I attract win. They are very focused. They are very strategic. They get clear on what they want to do, and they are really taking action. And this morning I had a conversation, and actually for the last 3 weeks I've been doing my coaching, my clients have been winning from week one. My Action Taker members that are in my membership group, those of you that are not aware, I have a paid membership group, which is literally the price of a cup of coffee a day. And in that group, I'm very active. I'm sharing ideas, I'm sharing tips, I'm sharing my knowledge. You can ask me anything. And you've got access to all of my training and my resources and my workbooks and my exclusive stuff as a member, right? And I want to share with you some of my membership wins so that people can see what's happening. I'm not going to name names, but obviously if my members watch live, then they can obviously let you know, hey, Sabin, how you doing? Welcome. First time I think you're watching me live. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that my clients have been doing. So one of the examples is that I was speaking to a client who's now a client. I've been doing different things with her for about 2 years. And she works in, let's say, the beauty industry, right? I'm not going to give out her exact business because some of you may be on her mailing list. And I've been speaking to her for a good number of months about the beauty of email and how she can use email to promote her online shop and to actually get better results in her business. And she sent out one email with some prompts from me. She's now in my group coaching program, and she's made nearly £1,000 from that one email. And we had a call this morning, and she said, you know what, Vee? You were right. You've been prompting me and encouraging me for so long to start using email. You were right. I said, how much money did you make? She said, nearly £1,000 and counting, right? Now, she sent the email out on Monday. She made nearly £1,000. And I said to her, do you know what? I said, if you go into the software that we're using for your email, right? And I've given her the trading. She's got all the information. I said, why not resend that same email to the unopeners, the people that didn't open your email, and make yourself another 1,000? And she said, you know what? I hadn't thought about that. So that's one client. I've got another client who actually I've been telling for ages, post more on your business page, post more on your business page. And I gave her exclusive tips. We were talking on DM, we were talking on the membership group. And you know what? For a long while, she didn't trust me, I don't think. But then she actually plucked up the courage and started posting more on her business page. And within 24 hours of her posting on her business page, she was able to make nearly £400. Okay? Instant, from doing a live stream. I've got another client who was launching a product last year. She was going out to launch a product over Christmas, and then she had a workshop coming up in January. And I said, you know what? Don't hold back. Run 2 campaigns to separate audiences, run them at the same time, and here's the strategy, and this is what you need to do. She did it. She sent the email out. I think she made nearly £600 from her work online workshop program. Then she started selling the workshop event tickets. She sold a whole load more of tickets as well. The tickets were a sellout. All right. So these are just a few examples. These are the ways in which you can be in it to win it. Okay. Another example, fashion stylist that I'm working with at the minute, only wanted to deal with plus size fashion clients, has done so well in what she does with styling and her fashion tips that actually she's now bagged a few male clients as well, which, you know, they've been very pleased with her results. They've been very pleased with what they've seen her do. Means she can now diversify if she wants to attract a male audience. That wasn't what she planned to do, but as many of you that will know, watching either now on the replay, sometimes things don't actually happen the way we want. Sometimes we evolve as brands. Sometimes, you know, we get to places where actually we have to take a little diversion because people might want us to do one thing when actually we thought they wanted us to do another. Give me an emoji of some kind if you understand what I'm saying here. So she went out with the whole idea of actually promoting her business as a woman's plus size stylist. And actually, not only is she getting new clients in that arena and styling celebrities and people that are doing music videos, she's now styling men as well, right? So an absolute win. She's in it to win it, right? I've got clients that did a social media masterclass with me only just a few weeks ago and are already converting sales through social selling skills that I've given them and taught them in a one-day masterclass that they have invested £99 or £47 on the early bird, and they're now closing sales online. Something they would have never been able to do had they not attended my masterclass, okay? So when I'm talking about winning, and when I'm talking about growth, and when I'm talking about results, if you notice anything I've put out recently, I talk about making real results. And I put the word real in capitals because a lot of coaches and gurus will tell you about results. And when you ask to see the results are not there, okay? Or they're results from people that haven't even paid them to do the work. In other words, I'm sure you know where I'm going from with this one. No shade on anyone's parade here, but if people haven't paid you to do the work and then you give them something, of course they're going to say lots of great stuff about you because they haven't paid you in the first place. If you pay me and invest in my business as a coach, as a consultant, I'm going to give you results, and I'm going to push you to a point where you want to get results, working at your own pace with the understanding that you've got to put in the work to get the results. If you don't put in the work and you pay me, then that's your challenge. That's something you've got to deal with. But I wanted to come on today to talk to you about some of the kinds of people that I work with. I work with creatives. I work with serious business owners. I work with people that are passionate about actually getting real results in their business. I work with people internationally that want to get more of a global reach. I work with people that have online shops that want more traffic to their store, people that have physical shops, okay? And I want to share with you now that if you are in business at the minute and for any reason you are not getting the results you want, you are not seeing the sales, you are not getting the conversions online, you're on social media, you're posting, but you're not getting the responses, Perhaps you are working with someone at the minute that's not getting you the outcomes you desire. Perhaps you're working with clients that aren't your ideal clients. I want you to reach out and speak to me. I want you to actually send me a message. Now, I've got over 280 testimonials and counting, okay, which is, I would say, pretty certain that I'm able to do what I say I do. But if any of you want to speak to me, if any of you want to book in a call with me, this is the shout out I'm going to give to you today, right? If you are aware or you aren't aware, at the moment, I am running a 5-day Love on Your Business challenge, okay? And in that challenge, I am presenting to attendees and participants the opportunity for you to love on your business in a way that you haven't before, the opportunity for you to look at areas of your business that possibly need attention that you've previously been ignoring, right? And I want to extend that invitation to you that even if you're not doing that challenge with me, okay, and we're now on day 2, there is still time for you to join if you want to join and you need help with your branding and marketing. If you are wanting to get clarity, if you are wanting to know more about the ways in which I can help you to get real results, and if you're watching this live now, please do put the word real in caps for me. We're talking about real results, okay? Real results. If you are wanting to know how you can get real results in your business, then I want you to reach out to me. I want you to book in a call. I want us to have a conversation, and I want us to actually get to the meat and bones of why you may feel stuck at the minute. And I want to be able to give you some quick wins on that 15-minute chat that will help you immediately to understand what you can do to actually turn things around in your business. 2019 could be a really phenomenal year for you, and simple things like investing in a planner, and I'm not suggesting my one, but of course I can tell you my one is a very good investment for just £24. It will cover you in terms of your campaign ideas, your budgeting, your sales tactics, what you're doing in terms of social media, your content, all of your online and offline stuff in here for just £24. Yeah, some of you spend more than that on, you know, lunch. Then do reach out to me. Okay, do let me know that you are interested. Do let me know that you want to get support, and I'll make time for you. If you're serious, I'll make time for you. But you have got to be in it to win it. All right, so I just wanted to share with you today about some of how my other clients are winning. I'm happy to share with you more. If many of you want to know more, I'm happy to give you more examples. But believe you me, when I say I'm about results, I've come from a place of results. Corporate companies, blue chip companies, international global companies, where I've been responsible for budgets of over £250,000, nearly £1 million, to bring in results, real results, sales results, eyes on your website, paying customers, inquiries and leads. I didn't just sit on a team where people told me what to do. I've led teams. And if you want to get results from someone who's actually got real results, okay, put the word real in the comments box when you watch either live or on the replay. Book in a call via the link. Let's have a conversation, all right? It's Vee Roberts here from Insight2Marketing. The official hashtag, you already know this, is AskI2M. Take care, everyone. Bye.